Everyone, welcome to HungryTripper.com, India's first automated itinerary planner. So we'll talk about the trip builder in about 10 seconds time, but let me tell you that we also have the regular flights, hotels, and activity booking. So what comes so differently to HungryTripper is primarily the trip builder. It's an automated itinerary maker, and let's show you how it works. So we have about 10 plus countries right now. Let's just say I want to go to Istanbul. So that's step one. Step two, I want flights, hotels, activities, and transfers. I can also choose between hotels, activities, and transfers, and simply hotels and activities. So I have these three options to start with. That's step two. Step three, I want to start from Delhi. And let's say because we are kind of COVID hit right now and we are expecting a vaccine by January or Feb, I feel around April would be a safe time to travel. And Istanbul. So let's say if Istanbul would have had 7-8 regions inside, we would have showed those 7-8 regions over here. And I want to stay for, let's say, 3 nights. I want to be open with respect to my hotel choices. So I'm going to select all categories. And let's see what HungryTripper builds for us. This takes about 30 to 40 seconds to load because there are a lot of flights and hotels that are being searched upon, and especially during the COVID times, the flights are not really freely available from India, so the price accuracy might not be that good. But of course, all of this will change as and when the international flights start for regular tourists. So till the time this is searching, I think we took less than 30 seconds. So this is your trip summary. In the first bracket, we have a few photos of Istanbul. This is from the hotel that is recommended. Then this is an economy flight package which has 3-star hotels and simple activities for sightseeing. Let's see what the trip builder has built for us. So this is starting on the 7th of April and ending on the 10th of April because we asked for 3 nights. We have been recommended flights over here. Like I said, the COVID is on these days and we don't really have the flights availability. So otherwise you will see much better options over here at a much cheaper cost. So you can always modify your flight, choose something else. Then we come to once you land in Istanbul, what do you do? So of course there's going to be a cab that's going to pick you up, right? So we've included that. And then in Istanbul, it's going to be a 3-night, 4-day routine. So this is the hotel that has been recommended by the trip builder. We can obviously change it. All we have to do is press remove here. Yes. And add hotel. And do I want the same hotel for all 3 days, or do I want to stay in multiple hotels? So let's say I wanted the same hotel. So we have 1,243 hotels available in Istanbul. Let's just say I want to stay in a 4-star hotel with bed and breakfast, and I want a refundable booking. And let's say I like the Ottoman City Hotel. So I'll just simply put this into the trip builder. First I have to select the room type. Let's just go with the economy room. And now we have the Ottoman City Hotel, which is there for 3 nights. So I check in on the 7th and I check out on the 10th. Now in between that, we have 2 more days. So the itinerary builder has automatically recommended us 2 excursions. So one is a Bursa excursion. Let's say I don't want this excursion, so we'll simply tap on it, and I just want this tour, for example. So we'll simply replace it, and let's just say I don't want a pub crawl. I want a Hagia Sophia tour, and I'm going to replace that as well. So I've completely built my itinerary, and let's say I want to do something else on the evening. Okay, whirling dervishes sounds interesting. Let's add this dance as well. So as you can clearly see, now you can basically automate all your trips with simple suggestions from a trip builder. And it took me close to what, about 3 to 4 minutes to build a package. All I have to do is press update changes now, and then I have to go and proceed to book.